last year around December, nag-post kami ng video about items we bought online na na-impress kami. And ito ngayon isa sa mga items na nabanggit ko doon na totoong first glance pa lang, mukha na talagang sulit at ang gandang gamitin. And today I will create a review to check if the quality of these pencils is truly outstanding. I-check ko ngayon kung talaga bang okay yung mga pencils included in this package. So, samahan niyo ako guys as I do the review. So, in doing this test, I bought a sketch pad. So, yung Canson yung binili kong brand kasi based on the previous years na nagka-artwork ako, maganda yung quality ng paper meron si Canson. So, advice ko, if you also plan to compile your artworks, buy quality materials. Hindi mo kailangan mahal, but just ensure na yung items na bibilhin mo is maganda and capable to hold on dun sa artwork na gagawin mo. So, another thing na gusto kong i-highlight before I do the test, yung classifications ng pencils. So, merong B, may H, at saka HB. Ibig sabihin yung H is hard. Ibig sabihin, hard yung pressure na kailangan mong i-guide sa pencil para makaproduce ng shade. Pag B yung classification na nakalagay, ibig sabihin blackness, lesser yung pressure. So, napansin nyo, may 6B, 2B, 4B, etc. Yun yung type ng B pencil na kung saan habang pataas yung number, less yung pressure na kailangan mong ibigay dun sa pencil para makapag-produce ng shade. Unlike dun sa H, yung H, siya naman yung kailangan matigas or hard yung pressure na kailangan mong i-produce para makapag-produce ng shade yung pencil. So, baliktad naman pagka H. Pag H, pagka mataas yung H, ibig sabihin, mas malabo yung pencil. Mas malabo yung napoproduce niyang shade or yung blackness. Yung B, black. Yung H, hard. So, ibig sabihin, yun yung classification na nga para na maging clear. Usually, pagka naggawa ako ng sketch, I begin with HB. Ito yung nasa middle lang. Hindi mo kailangan hindi kailangan hard, hindi rin ganun kabigat yung shading niya. So, ganito, no? So, mag-sketch ako ngayon. Pakikita ko sa inyo yung capacity ng HB. So, ito yung paper natin. So, I'll try to do a quick sketch. Let's try to create siguro a face. So, kung may narinig ko yung background noise, pasensya na muna. So, let's try to create a character muna, no? For this sample, gagawa ko ng character. So, ito muna yung base na nagamit ko. For the sake of example, try ko nang gumawa ng mabilis na character. Medyo mahirap pala pag kami nag-record, no? basically, ito, usually start yung sketch. Pasensya niyo ako guys kasi medyo matagal na ako hindi magpe-pencil. So, in the upcoming days, probably so, quick sketch lang tayo. Nangyari. So far, I think okay itong HB niya. So, let's try, kunyari, pakita ko lang yung distinction ha. So, try ako ng H, 2H. So, 2H to guys, no? So, same pressure. Hindi masyado kita, diba? Sige. Sensya na guys, hindi ako masyadong sanay na video yung ginagawa ko. Pero, okay, let's try. So, meron akong eraser sama doon sa package. Samurai na karakter. Modern gamit na ito. Ito pala yung gamit. No? So, let's try to use 2B. I think I might use 2B darker na siya mas ginagamit ko kanina. So, I highly suggest na play around the piece. Pero usually, kung bibili kayo ng reset, ang sinasuggest kong kunin nyo HB at saka 5B or 6B. Ayaw nyo kumuha ng isang set para at least may pang shading material na kayo. I mean, good. Do a shade. Mapansin nyo guys, ayun o, iba na yung texture niya pagdating doon. Actually, hindi naman may utilize lahat ng type ng pencil pagka nag-drawing ka na. So far, kung portrait ng gusto mong gawin, very important yung shadings mo. So, saan ba dapat ang aking lighting? Siguro dapat ang lighting. Blacks out tayo ngayon na 6B. Let's see kung gaano ka dark. So, kung mapansin nyo, yung tips niya is nakapal. So, para mayroon tayo ng difference na ito yung mga nagamit ko kanina. Ang dating sa mataas na B. Ano, iba yung kanyang pinaka-charcoal. Actually, hindi pa ito charcoal guys ha. Ang charcoal is mas darker yun. So, kaya kumuha ko yung 6B kasi lesser lang yung kanya shading. Pero, mabilis yung kumalat na. Balikan natin yun. Alright. For the initial testing of the pencils, I could say it's worth the price. I think super sulit yung the set for itself. So mga ginamit kong pencils for this sample is 5B, 2B, 6B, my favorite 8B. So actually my favorite would be HB. So normal pressure na yung kailangan sa HB kasi to top with that, I also use the smudger tool para mas smudge ko yung ibang areas. So actually ito yung outcome ko for my first artwork. I-shoot ko na siya. I like how the texture came out for the different pencils that I've used so far. I think I'm sold out for the outcome. So madami pang pencils actually I need to cover. But for now, this would be my initial thoughts for the pencils that I used so far. Maganda yung quality and hindi ko pinanghihinayangan yung less than 600 pesos to have this set. Ano ngayon, more on sa bahay lang tayo. I'm just excited to explore more. So watch out for the upcoming artworks that I'll be doing. Probably makapag-post ako for some of those in the future. So that's for me today. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification icon so that you will be notified for our future contents. We also encourage you to comment down below for your comments and suggestions. See you again for our next vlog. The Vlog channel is signing off for now. Goodbye!